In this video, Anssi is back. The Volvo is back. We are upgrading to the most exclusive steering wheel in the world, and he's going to drive the car.
For the very first time. Let's go and check out how this will fit in the car.
So, we already started experimenting with the exhausts, but during the road test I remembered how horrible the original steering wheel is on the Volvo, so we just have to get that done before we continue with the testing.
Hey guys, today we're gonna get rid of this original steering wheel. Although it has had a good run, it's time for something new and something really special. And it's also my first time driving the Volvo. Let's see what it does. It is pretty comfortable. It's definitely stiffer suspension than before. I mean, I haven't driven this exact car, but I know what these boats are like. This car, like any car, of course could use some more power, no doubt about it. Maybe we'll get there, maybe we'll upgrade a little bit more on the turbo side and injectors and everything, but we'll see. Right now it's just great to have this car on the road and drive it around and actually see that everything works so far. And I have to say that the Bilstein custom-made suspension just totally transformed the car. Not just by the looks of it and the nice stance with the new wheels and tires, but also the handling. It is great. For a car that's like 30 years old, it handles phenomenally. Definitely more race car-like. The brakes feel consistent and nice. If you look at the steering wheel, the basic thing has happened that the cover of the steering wheel is turning over and it's not attached anymore, so definitely not nice to handle, and in a worst case scenario it could be a safety hazard. At least that's the easy way to justify putting in a brand new steering wheel. I hope you guys can hear these sounds. The car is starting to sound pretty damn good with the blow-off valve and the exhaust, of course, and it is a sophisticated tank. Hold on. Whoops. I really want to take this car somewhere that we could all push it to the limit and see what it can do. But it feels right at home now on these back roads, and I have to admit I'm kind of starting to like how this car looks. I never thought for real that I would be enjoying a bulky item like this, but it is starting to grow on me. My first test drive is done, and I have to say that it handles really well for what it is. It's made to be a Swedish caravan puller or a family car or whatever, but now it's taken huge steps towards being a little sportier, a little different, but we need to get rid of the steering wheel.
So Anssi has done his joyride, now it's time to put some Momo into this thing. So as we both agree, the old steering wheel in the Volvo absolutely sucks.
Definitely.
And we are going to replace it with this piece of goodness. This is one out of two existing in the world Momo and Grumblo collaboration steering wheel, made from the finest materials by the craftsman in Italy. And one of them is going on the Volvo and the other one is going to one of your cars. Stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how you can win this steering wheel.
Now is the time. We're gonna figure out how to get this out, clean out the cockpit a little bit, make some little nice touches in here, and then at the last stage put the new steering wheel in. This model doesn't have an airbag, but when you're changing an airbag steering wheel, remember to disconnect the battery first and preferably a few minutes in advance so the computer for the airbag wouldn't have any juice in it. This comes off easily. And then there's one center nut that is gonna be, I guess, 17. And then one connection for the horn. Make sure the steering wheel is straight and you have enough extension sockets that you can reach it. Like so, and it should come right off. Then we're gonna figure out how to install the other part. Let's see how this was in here. So as you can see, it's a little different. This pin and this lip is in a different position. It should be something like this. We'll put it back in this position and for now and we can change it later if there's something that we need to do. And it was 32 Newton meters for this Volvo, so it's that much. So the steering wheel hub is there. Now we have some room to operate in here. Let's get rid of some dirt. Home is a mess, but I'm instead here in the garage cleaning an old Volvo. New and fresh stuff. Let's see how they fit. Nice. It's still an old Volvo, but the carpets are really nice. Black with the white stitching always works. Really nice.
So one more step before installing the new steering wheel. Just going to go and wipe off the dust and grime from the interior so it's all hygienic and looks nice and shiny.
We'll let that be and go to the more exciting stuff, which is the steering wheel. It's beautiful. Let's go and check out how this will fit in the car. This is such a nice piece and so valuable that I actually want to read the instructions. See that I'm not missing anything. The Momo horn thingy is now hooked up, and let's test it to see if it works. Shouldn't work here, but then when I ground it, sounds like it's a little miserable, like a dying elephant. Not that we would like dying elephants, but the sound is what it is. So I'm gonna turn the hub a little bit to the left. It's a case of trial and error since we are changing the whole hub and the whole steering wheel. So first one is in. Wow. There it is, in all of its glory, connected and stuff. Let's see if the horn still works. The steering wheel works and the button works, but now I dropped the tool. Whoever is gonna win this car eventually in the giveaway, you're also gonna have a 4mm hex key. Congratulations.
So, do you want one of these steering wheels for your car as well? All you have to do is subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what car would you install this steering wheel on. I look forward to hearing all of your car projects and ideas, and this giveaway will be going on for 30 days starting from the release of this video. Good luck.
Now I'll clean this out and can't wait to get the car out and take it for a little spin with the new steering wheel. It's gonna make a whole lot of difference in the feeling. Let's go. for once in our project there was something really simple and easy, and it was this steering wheel. All the necessary parts were in the packaging from Momo, and I used their tools. Super easy, anybody can do it at home. Highly recommended. If you're looking for an upgrade, this will be one of the best ones. This is the first feel and the first test drive with the new beautiful Momo steering wheel. I even did wash my dirty hands, but it feels like I should be wearing some nice driver's gloves or something. It is beautiful and soft. It's a little smaller too than the original wheel, so it's a bit more sporty feeling to it. Really brings the feeling together with the suspension and brakes and wheels and tires and everything, and on those great feelings. Thanks for watching. Join us for the next one.